other side, the big debate over Priyanka Gandhi Vadra's bag. Ladies and gentlemen, Priyanka Gandhi's parliament debut has been about making a statement. Today, she made her stance clear by supporting a tote bag emblazoned with a bold Palestine tag. Known for her eloquent expression of concerns regarding Palestine, Priyanka has often faced criticism from the BJP, which has accused her of sidelining the issue of Hindu persecution in Bangladesh. Seizing the opportunity, the BJP swiftly labelled her handbag as a mere emblem of appeasement, suggesting that Congress has transformed into a new Muslim league. Priyanka Gandhi fired back and asserted her right to wear what she pleases. She said that she wouldn't let the patriarchal mindset dictate her. Listen in to the war of words.
You want to say something while you're carrying this bag?
I've said many times what my beliefs are regarding this. And if you look at my Twitter handle, all my comments are over there.
They say that they the parliamentarians can't carry this.
Who's going to decide what clothes I wear now? Who's going to decide that? That's typical patriarchy, that you decide what clothes women wear also.
Okay, ma'am.
I don't subscribe to that. I will wear what I want. जो बांग्लादेश में जो अत्याचार हो रहा है माइनॉरिटीज पे, जो बांग्लादेश के हिंदू हैं, बांग्लादेश के ईसाई हैं, उसके बारे में कुछ करें, बात करें बांग्लादेश की सरकार के साथ, अत्याचार बंद कराएं.
All the members of the family of the Gandhi dynasty, all they have done is they have hung the bag of appeasement by their shoulder. This is the reason ये जो बैगेज कैरी करते हैं, इसी बैगेज के कारण इनकी हार होती है.
प्रियंका गांधी को हमास की सपोर्टर तो है नहीं. वो ये कह रहे हैं जो बच्चे मारे जा रहे हैं, अस्पतालों में बम गिर रहे हैं, उसके लिए कह रहे हैं कि ये एक मानवता के नाते गलत काम है. उनकी ये बात कहने की है.
From Mahatma Gandhi to Atal Bihari Vajpayee, everybody has raised the cause of Philistine, and now also the government of India is supporting the cause of Philistine. Even the External Affairs Minister has made that statement, and we have sent aid also.
You're watching the News Hour at 9, debate number 2 on Times Now, Super Prime Time.
Kamruzaman Chaudhary, now is this a statement, the Palestine bag, which also gets endorsement from Pakistan? Fawad Hussain actually compliments Priyanka Gandhi. Whose interests is she actually picking up? The biggest support coming from Pakistan, is that what makes the Congress party happy?
Well, Navika ji, as on date, around 17,000 children have been killed in Palestine in the ongoing genocide. This is the only live genocide that we are witnessing. We have never seen the genocide of the Jews in the 1940s, nor have we seen the genocide in the Chechnya-Gaznia war. But this is one genocide that we all must be aware. And I am very afraid and very ashamed that my India is having $32 billion of trade with the genocidal country Israel. That's the mindset of the 90% of the Indians who sympathize with the Palestinians out here. But because of the deep-rooted hate for a particular community, the Bharatiya Janata Party leaders and their cabal are criticizing Priyanka Gandhi just for showcasing a carry bag, a tote bag in solidarity for the Palestinians who have been killed in the genocide. What's wrong in that? If we stand with genocide, we have stood with the Palestinians earlier also. We are standing with the Palestinians now also.
Shehzad Poonawala.
What's wrong in that?
Please respond to Kamruzaman Chaudhary. Kamruzaman Chaudhary, break लगाइए. All right, Shehzad is responding to you.
कमरू जी बोलूं? Thank you. इन्होंने कहा कि 17,000 innocent children have been killed in Palestine. Therefore, we stand with the people of Palestine. We also stand as government of India. We have also principally always stood with people of Palestine. We don't consider Hamas to be people of Palestine. But, Kamruji, if you are committed to your cause, 11,000 children have been massacred in Yemen. Yemen के बच्चों की क्या गलती थी? And who have they been massacred by? Not by some community that you hate, which is the Jews. They have been massacred by the bombs being dropped by Muslim nations. कितनी बार बोला कमरू जी आपने कि यमन के बच्चे जो है लेसर नहीं डोंट इंटरप्ट सर डोंट इंटरप्ट Yemen, 11,000 children, thousands of children in Iraq, thousands of children in Libya, thousands of children in Sudan, thousands of children in Somalia. Why nothing said for them? Because they have been, one second. Sir, don't interrupt, sir. You are having a very bad habit of interrupting every statement with your not so wise comments. Please, sir, don't break the flow of others. So, 1 lakh children of other Muslim nations massacred by other Muslim countries are not to be given the consideration of Priyanka Vadra. Only this case, why? Because this is the baggage of vote bank. Baggage of vote bank and the hatred for certain communities. So when they have to target the Hindus or the Jews, they will pick up this bag. And you are getting endorsement from Pakistan. Now I want to lastly ask you, sir, ये tote bag गोपाल मिश्रा के लिए कब कैरी होगी? ये अंकित शर्मा के लिए, दिलबर नेगी के लिए, चंदन गुप्ता के लिए, रतन लाल के लिए और बांग्लादेश के हिंदुओं के लिए ये ऐसा कोई टोट बैग बना के रखा है उनके लिए या वो ये
It's not a tote bag, it's actually a vote bag. And that's what many people are asking, Vivek Srivastava. Is this a vote bag? Because Palestine is something that will appease the community in this country from where the Congress party is expecting votes. As Shehzad Poonawalla pointed out, there's no bag out there for the Bangladesh minorities. Yes, she made a statement, but no bag being carried out, no jacket with stickers on it. Why, sir?
Okay, by the logic, so by the logic of Shehzad Poonawalla, Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee, our Honorable Prime Minister of India, was looking for vote bank, and that is why he supported the cause of Palestine internationally and said very clearly that the land of the Palestinians should be given back to them. I think it was for the vote bank that the third front governments in this country, the VP Singh's government, which had the support of the BJP, and the previous Congress governments also supported Palestine because everybody wants a vote bank.
Why are you going so far back? Even this government supports Palestine. Even this government supports Palestine, my friend. Sohail said, why don't they get it? Everybody supports Palestine, but not at the not exclusion of everything else. Why does the Congress party, why does the AIMIM only find time to support Palestine and not atrocities happening elsewhere in the world? That's the question that is being asked.
So let me say 3 or 4 things without any interruption.
There is no.
I'm lowering all faders.
Does Priyanka Gandhi have the right to carry any tote bag she chooses to? The answer is yes. Does she have the right to believe in any cause she chooses to? The answer is yes. The problem here is only with the optics. We are a country, most countries are driven by optics, especially when you're actually entering India's parliament. So again, as I said on the earlier issue, Navika, the optics are incorrect and the communication thereafter is skewed. So you said exactly what people are feeling. People feel that it is not the cause that she is concerned about, but the appeasement of a particular community that she's concerned about. That's what happens. So it's a tragedy which is unfolding because she has every right. And let me tell you, what has happened in Gaza is unforgivable. I mean, all deaths, and there I agree with Shehzad, every child who dies, no matter what nationality, is a human tragedy. And I will not condone it whether it's Israel or Yemen or whoever the hell it is. The point is there are dead children, dead mothers, dead parents. So issue is not that. The problem, Navika, is the optics of the Congress almost seem to suggest that they're divorced from this country's real issues, which is why the BJP then asks them the questions to which they have no answers. Because the BJP is saying, कि भाई, you're not concerned about India, but you're concerned about Palestine. The answer therefore lies in the way you manage the optics and the way you communicate post that
Kamruzaman Chaudhary. Question asked by Shehzad Poonawalla, plain and simple, was, carry a bag for Gopal Mishra too. Why don't
you? But she can't carry 10 bags now. She's not Ravan. She doesn't have 10 hands. Oh, 10 heads, sorry. Not 10 hands.
No, every day you can carry a different bag every day.
Navika ji.
They have bag of excuses. They don't have bag.
Now let me answer Shehzad's question. This is called majority appeasement or the appeasement of Hindus by Shehzad Poonawalla and his party. Why I say we all condemn the killing of the people because of religious conflict. We condemn the people who were killed From the Muslim side also, we condemn people killed in the Hindu side also. But comparing one event with another event and justifying the other event is the lowest the BJP cabal can go to. And this is where the majority appeasement is so blatant by the Bharatiya Janata Party.
30 seconds, Shehzad, please respond. Kamruzaman Chaudhary, your time is up. Shehzad.
First of all, Mr. Kamruji did not hear. I spoke about Yemen children and Palestinian children, so I don't know how it was a Hindu-Muslim issue. Yemen children पर चुप, क्योंकि उनको मारने वाले मुस्लिम देश, और Palestinian children पर बहुत ना है, बोलना है बहुत, क्योंकि वहाँ पर इजराइल इन्वॉल्व है, in their words. Secondly, मैं आपसे पूछता हूँ कि सबसे ज्यादा मुसलमान कहाँ मारे जा रहे हैं? बच्चे और बूढ़े alike. चाइना में, यूइगर प्रोविंस में. अब विवेक श्रीवास्तव इस्लामोफोबिया बोल रहे थे ना आप? Condemn China once. Condemn China for the atrocities in Xinjiang province. एक बार. आप तो इस्लामोफोबिया के खिलाफ.
I give you all of 10 seconds. Condemn it.
Impressed by the American propaganda media.
Oh, so are you saying Uyghur Muslims are not being killed in China? They're not being mistreated in China. Are you saying that?
China is a good nation.
Oh, all right. In which case, there is no case in front of you, Vivek Srivastava, because facts don't matter to you, news doesn't matter to you, and plain and simple pictures coming from there don't matter to you, because you're blinded with really what you want to be blinded with. Well, what do you debate with people who will not see truth when it stares them in the face? Yes, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra free to wear a Palestine bag. But, well, there are many days, and every day a woman can change her bag. We'll see what other issues she can wear on her vote bag. We leave it at that. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for joining me on the News Hour tonight. Good night, be safe, and I'll see you tomorrow.